Hello, beautiful ladies. Welcome. My name is Alia Rosa, and I'm very excited to be here with you all. First of all, thank you for joining me, and I feel incredibly honored to share my knowledge and skills with you all. Let me tell you a little bit about myself and why I'm so passionate about what I do. I was just like many of you, an ugly duckling in the school, bullied, shy, nerdy. But everything changed when I learned the art of seduction 20 years ago. These techniques not only transformed my life, but also saved it. And now I want to pass on this powerful knowledge to all of you so you can use it every day. I come from a very unusual background as a special secret agent working on missions to stop human and drug trafficking. I grew up in a family connected to the military, with my grandfather being a national hero who fought against the Nazis during World War II. Following in my family's footsteps, I attended a special spy school when I turned 18 years old. There I learned everything from shooting guns to martial arts and, the most important, the psychology of man. We were taught to provoke, seduce, persuade, and control man's feelings using techniques that have been collected for centuries. After graduation, I was sent to a mission to infiltrate one of the most dangerous drug gangs in the world. I had to leave my home country under the protection of witness relocation. It was a challenging journey, but armed with my knowledge of seduction, I was able to navigate through any situations, from being a single mom immigrant with no money to meeting Queen Elizabeth and King Charles III in London and many amazing celebrities and famous people. I've built the life for myself. Now, my book is launching about my life and even have a movie in works. But at this point in my journey, I believe it's crucial to share my knowledge and help empower other women. I look around and I see so many smart, beautiful, stunning women being mistreated or feeling lonely. It just breaks my heart. But here's the thing. Men are easy to seduce. In fact, they want to be seduced. And that's where I come in as your coach. Now get ready for some dating techniques that will transform your relationship with men. These tools and mechanisms will help you reveal your essence, femininity, sexuality, and self-confidence. Remember, you have the power to share and to shape your relationships into whatever you want, friendship, romance, or partnership. So we will start from being yourself. The most important thing in dating is to stay true to yourself. Don't try to be someone else and impress someone. Authenticity is attractive and the right person will appreciate you for who you are. Then, flirt and having fun is also important because it's a playful way to show your interest in someone. Smile, make eye contact, and engage in a casual conversations. Remember, dating should be fun, an easy process, so don't take it too serious. Later, active listening. When you are on date, be an active listener. Show your genuine interest in what your date says. Ask questions, listen, and engage in meaningful conversations. This is very important and will help you to build a special bond with your partner. Next one, body language. Pay attention to your body language and the signals you are sending. Maintain good posture, make eye contact, and use open, welcoming gestures. This conveys confidence and signals that you are interested and engaging in the conversation. Mirroring your partner's body language is a powerful technique that can help create a sense of connection and a special bond. When you mirror someone's body language, you subtly mimic their gestures, postures, and facial expressions. This can create a very good connection and make the other person feel more comfortable at ease in your presence. Later, next one, take it slow. Building a connection takes time. Avoid rushing into relationship and take the time to get to know each other. Enjoy the process of discovering each other's interest. Build your value before going into bed straight away. Next one, set boundaries. It's important to establish and communicate with your partner about your boundaries on early stage of relationship. Be clear about what you're comfortable with and what you're not. Remember, have the right to say no to anything that makes you feel uncomfortable. And the last one, confidence, as you know, is the key. Confidence is incredibly attractive. Work on building your self-confidence by focusing on your strengths, practicing self-care, and embracing self-love. When you believe in yourself, others will do. Here you can find some free meditations to help you to enhance your confidence. Let's start by boosting your confidence right now. Here is one amazing technique. Stand in front of the mirror and embrace your imperfections. Write down a list of features and body parts you love about yourself and put somewhere where you can see every day. When you brush your teeth, for example, in the mirror. This simple practice will help program your brain to focus on positive aspects of yourself. Do it every day during 21 days. Create a habit. Next technique, let's explore and enhance your sexuality. Create a comfortable and undisturbed space for yourself. Play sensual music, wear beautiful lingerie, and light scent candle. You can dance, embrace your body movements, and look at yourself in the mirror, appreciating your unique qualities. Slowly explore your body in a sensual manner, and if you feel comfortable, pleasure yourself. Affirm positive statements to yourself and create an anchor word that reminds you of this empowering experience. This is how you program yourself. And when you feel not confident or shy in front of man, just tell yourself this secret anchor word. Lastly, let's improve your mood quickly. Look into the mirror and smile at yourself just for 3-5 minutes. Trust me, it works wonders for your happiness. Your brain will create a special hormone endorphin and you will feel much happy. Believe in yourself and lift your confidence because you deserve the best. Let's embark on this journey together and create a life filled with empowerment, happiness, and love. I'll see you there. Lots of love.